Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Atlas V6. This is the SEL model with the captain's chairs in the rear. I can go ahead and show those off right now, actually. How do you work? Actually, you know what? I need that button on this side. Look at this brown leather. It is just absolutely beautiful. Nice chrome bumper protection. So this is the SEL Premium with a total price of $51,769, and this one's basically loaded to the moon. How do you function? How do you work? How do you do a thing? Oh, am I really that stupid? Oh my god. I'm that stupid, I guess. Pyrite silver metallic, Moro brown and black leather interior. It's a spec and a half, completely honestly. The IQ light system, front camera. For 2021, they revised the Atlas to more coincide with the new VW logo and stuff like that. When they launched the Cross Sport in 2020, it used this revised interior, and now Volkswagen has revised the Atlas. Digital display on the dash. Here's all your different cameras. Ha! That's pretty cool. What? What? Oh, that is sick. That's like parallel parking assist. Stop. Turn it to line up with that line. Keep going back. That's pretty cool. Honestly, that first time I've seen that system at play. Your trailer tow assist, rear cross traffic alert. I do love all the materials in here. This is actual leather. This isn't the leatherette that you'll find in other trim levels. Alright, I'm gonna shut auto start stop off for the video. I absolutely love the Atlas. It's such a smooth... Well then, it's such a smooth powertrain. It's just so comfortable to drive. That's what the Atlas just excels at, is it's just almost like a luxury SUV for non-luxury SUV well, this one is luxury SUV money, but it just excels in being one of the smoothest vehicles out there, especially under 60 grand. Visibility is very, very good. No real big major blind spot issues, especially with all the cameras you have in here. Gesture control is also present. You'll see that bottom row of buttons or touch sensitive area. When I bring my hand close, it pops up. Very, very good idea. Keeps everything looking nice and neat when you're driving, and then all your controls pop up when you bring your hand close to them. Very, very smart idea. One that I think a lot of manufacturers will start to incorporate in their newer vehicles. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.